The idea behind mobile squeeze page magic is simple but effective. You send all your traffic to one URL, and mobile squeeze page magic detects mobile traffic and redirects it to its two-click landing page. Here, users only have to click on the big sign up button to opt in. Once they click on the button, the email client on their phone or tablet opens up pre-populated to subject line and copy ready. User just hits the send button to opt into your list. Mobile squeeze page magic is compatible with the major autoresponder services. A very cool thing is that you get your prospect's best email because it's the one they have set up on their mobile device. And you get better deliverability rate because your prospects have emailed you first. Now let me show you how this easy to use WordPress plugin works. Okay, so we're in the settings page of mobile squeeze page magic. Here's where you can create a high converting mobile squeeze page in just a couple of minutes. Let me show you. Okay, so in this first section of the mobile squeeze page creator, we have to give our new mobile squeeze page a name. So in this case, we're going to name it Mobile, and we need to relate this mobile squeeze page to an existing squeeze page. So in this case, I want all the mobile traffic coming to this squeeze page to be redirected to our new mobile squeeze page. So I'm going to select that page here and then just hit create new page. And this will take us to our second section of our mobile squeeze page creator. And here we have to put in our pre-headline, our headline, our sub-headline, and the instructions that will be just above the submit button. So in this case, I have something pre-written. So I'm just gonna copy paste it here. So this will be my pre-headline, this will be my headline, this will be my sub-headline, and this will be the instructions. And once everything's ready, I go to the third section, and here I will put my disclaimer text and privacy text. So just let me copy paste what I have. This is my disclaimer, and here's my privacy text. And I have the option if I want to display a lock icon or not. In this case, I'm going to display the lock icon. And you also can choose if you want to have add some menu links at the bottom of the squeeze page. In this case, I'm not going to do this. Once everything's set up here, we move to the next section of the mobile squeeze page magic. And it's where we create our submit button. Here you have a color picker for the button. So you can choose whatever color you prefer. I always use a really specific color in my button, so I'm gonna paste the color code here. And I'm gonna put the text I want to be displayed inside the submit button. So in this case, is click here to send us an email for instant access. And I'm gonna choose the color of that text. And now we're ready to move on to the last section of the mobile squeeze page creator. So up until now, everything has been about the design of the mobile squeeze page. But in this last section, we're going to do two very important tasks. First, choose if we want our mobile squeeze page to be shown to only tablets, or to only smartphones, or to both. This is your decision, but I always leave it in both. The next important thing is we're going to create the email that's going to appear in the email client once the visitor hits the submit button. So here we're going to put the from email, the subject line, and the email copy. Inside the members area, I'll share some secrets I've discovered of how to make this email more effective. And now that everything is ready, we just hit save settings and close, and we're taken to the mobile squeeze page magic dashboard. Here's where all the squeeze pages you make will be displayed, and where you can see some analytic data of how many visitors to the original squeeze page were sent, how many of those visitors were mobile, how many of those mobile visitors took action, and your click-through rate. Here you will see the effectiveness of your mobile squeeze pages. From here you can also edit, delete, or preview your mobile squeeze pages. And that's it. As you can see, in a couple of minutes you can really make it easier for your mobile visitors to opt in, and at the same time increase the number of leads you capture.